Okay, so this one says a pulse is centered at y xt equal to e to the power minus 2.772 times x minus that squared. Use a spreadsheet or a computer program to plot the pulses. The height of the medium y as a function of position y. Plot pulses at time t equal to 0 and t equal to 3 seconds on the same graph, where the pulse centered at time t equal to 3 seconds. Okay, so I'm just going to do a rough drawing here, and you can check this on your on a program using any software. Okay, so x I'm going to plot it at x0, and it'll again be sort of a sharper bell curve. Okay. Okay. And so y xt is e to the power minus 2.77 times, so I'm going to write it slightly differently. 2 square is, this 2 square becomes 4, and this 5 square becomes 25. 25 into x minus 2t squared. Alright, so we'll write this as x t, and so we'll simplify the numerical value there. 2.77 into 4 divided by 25.44. That's it. E to the power of minus 0.44 x minus 2t squared. So what this is telling us is the velocity of the pulse is 2 meters per second. The negative sign is telling us the pulse is moving to the right. So this pulse is moving at velocity 2 meters per second to the right. Okay. So where the pulse centered at t equal to 3 seconds, so the pulse will be centered. The distance the pulse will travel is v times t, and it'll be centered at 2 meters per second times 3 seconds. That's 6 meters. Okay. And by the way, so at t equal to 0 and x equal to 0, this would be 0. So the amplitude of the pulse is 1 meter. Okay, so this is 1 meter. All right, that finishes this problem.